My name's Dave Malm, and I live at Foothold Farm. When we first selected this piece of land, we had kind of a vague idea we wanted to grow berries and fruits, and we found these wild red raspberries growing along a little logging road along the bottom of this bench. And I learned later that the species really is out of its range, that it was not supposed to grow this far south, so we consider ourselves lucky to have them. And that turned out to be my main crop, is these wild red raspberries. But to manage the wineberries, or the wild red raspberries, locals call them wineberries, you have to maintain a shade cover roughly 70% as near as I can tell, or else the soil will dry out and they'll just die back. They've pretty much spread themselves around this entire bench field since it was made. They just spread themselves through root suckers and by bending over and forming new plants at the tips. But every year it's a big job off season, during the dormant season, is to get those old spent canes cleared out and taken to a remote area and burned so that the diseases don't build up in the soil. They do that with my tame raspberries that are on trellises as well, but it's much more of an art form to try to get into these wild patches and train them so that you can keep them from being impenetrable.